In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can hide a section on your Wix website. So once you are on your Wix dashboard, the first thing we need to do is head to the left-hand sidebar here, scroll down to Site and Mobile App, and then select Website and SEO, and then click on Website. Now what we need to do is we need to head over to our website editor. So what we can do now, once we are on this page, is click on Edit Site in the top right-hand corner. Now what we want to do is we want to go to the section that we want to hide. So as you can see, I want to hide the header and footer on my website. So to be able to do this, you need to hover over the section you want to hide, go over to the right hand side, and here is where you will now see an option for 3 dots where it says More Actions. Click on this. That will then bring up this pop-up menu, and then you simply want to click on Hide Header and Footer. Once you do this, you will then be able to select this right here, and then that will then hide that specific section on your website. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can hide a section on your Wix website.